Okay, for 59, they describe a situation. The only thing right here, this is cut off. That should be 10, right? I don't know why it was not 1 at 1 mile per hour. It was at 10 miles per hour. Okay, they want us to draw a graph, right? So this is time, and this is distance, right? Distance. And let's see, it's up to, they rode for 3 hours and then rested for 1 hour, so we're up to 4. And then they raced back at 15 miles per hour, right? Okay, so we could go from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That should be enough, right? And Sarah and her friends left her house for a long bike ride. Okay, they rode for 3 hours at 10 miles per hour. At 10 miles per hour. So that means that 10, 20, 30 in 3 hours, they're going to get up to 30, right? This is 10. So we have to, after 3 hours, get up to here. So that's going to look like that, right? And then they rested for an hour. So they rest from there to there, right? And after lunch, they raced each other back at 15 miles per hour. So that means in 2 hours, they're going to go 30. So they're going to get down to here at 6, right? So it's going to look like that. Okay, so there's a good graph. Now it says describe each part of the graph using the following words. So let's break this into 3 parts. There's 1, 2, and 3. So I would say for part 1, right, for part 1, it's clearly linear, and it's increasing, right? For part 2, it's constant and linear. And for part 3, it is linear and decreasing.